So it's an amazing step how they start their soup over here. This is something new to me. This is a different way of making okra soup. Soup Kandia. People doesn't know how delicious and sweet this food is. Yeah, so there's a belief that we West Africans, we have similar food. Okay, so Ghana, Nigeria, Togo, Benin, Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Gambia, our food is similar, but the way of preparation is different. Yeah, so I'm here to find out and to let you guys know. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sinako, I'm back again. Yeah, I'm in Senegal, yeah, connecting the dots and showcasing our African food. And today over here, I'm in Saleh, yeah, still in Senegal. They're about to prepare one of the local food they have over here. It's called Soup Kandia. Yeah, Soup Kandia. I am told it's like an okra, like okra soup, okra stew. And behind me is the setup, the kitchen setup. Man, when I see a kitchen like this, man, joy, man, it boosts my immune system, yeah? So if this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. And man, it is what it is. Senegal Diaries. Hope you love it. Arukodo. These are the woods for the preparation. So the stool over here is called bank. Yeah, bank. Yeah, in Wolof, it's called bank. Yeah, bank. Ban. 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 Yeah. Arukodo. Come on, no. No, Jema pen, no. Respect. Come here, chapter 2. Yafatu. Okay, so this is Auntie Yafatu. Auntie Yafatu Kumba. Kadi. What do you call it? Some fish. This is salted fish. Ancient, this kind of mussels, or champs, yeah. And shrimps, dried shrimps, salted octopus or squid. Over here we have fresh pepper, aubergine, onion, red oil, and fresh fish over here. We also have towel. Yeah. Basically, the soup kandia is okra, so we have these ingredients over here, and this is okra. We bought this okra at the market, and so it's been chopped already. And I hear they have this kind of okra which is green and red. Amazing. Anglais.
Hey. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
Fine.
What are you doing?
Fine.
What are you doing?
That's all fine. Too fine.
Everything's fine.
Too fine.
Everything's fine.
Fine.
Yes, I'm fine. I'm really fine.
Avec le coupé, le Sénégal.
Oui.
Le soupe Kandia.
Wow.
Le plat national de Sénégal. Tu as compris?
Over here we have our fish herring, and it's been washed, and the skin will be taken off. Right beside me, some washing going on, you know. This is the African style. Yeah, we wash with our hands. It is what it is. Wash and transferred inside this pot. So basically the water will drain and go down. We are not understanding each other, so I can't even explain or ask certain things. But because yesterday we bought the unchopped and the chopped one together, so I don't know why she bought the unchopped one also. She should have buy everything like that, but nah.
Kanja.
Si kanja ma.
Kanja. Masha.
Yeri.
Kanja.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Kanja bi dang ko dagg fa do ko jënd. Dang ko jënd non ko dagg.
Okay. Why did you buy only this and that one? Why don't you buy all this separate like that?
Wale dama jënd bu ñu dagg ba pare. Jëndaat bi won leen dañ koy couper pour def ko fi.
Ah, MP. Ah, okay. Okay. So the reason why is that this is chopped different, and the other one she needs a different, like a way that she has to chop it. That's why she bought that one, so that she can chop the way that she wants. So you can see from here, this is very small. You see the difference? So the difference in two. Wow. So we start by adding water to the pot, and ashes was added around it. Look, it's drying up to prevent it from getting black. So all these are the salted spice, the salted fish and meat over here. And charms, salt fish, stockfish, everything inside here. So we're about to pound the okra, and goes in like that. The process of pounding this is called dokas in Senegal, Wolof. Docas. Locas. Ah, Knockas or Docas? Knockas. Ah, Knockas. Ah, not Docas. Knockas. Yeah. Arukodo. This is the beginning or the basement of the soup. All the fish, the fresh fish is going inside the water.
My def Jen. Yeah boy.
Yeah. So lahas. So that's a towel. Yeah, lahas. Jakute, that's aubergine and the pepper. Yeah, hot pepper. Habanero pepper. Okay. So it's an amazing step how they start their soup over here. This is something new to me. Wow. It will also go inside. So this is the reason why the ashes was added. You see, it's turning black. So you suppose the ashes wasn't added, everything will be black by now. Amazing trick over here. So this is a different pot for different settings over here. This is the rice, and they love broken rice. So this is broken and mixed right together. They don't blend together, mixed together. So this is some amazing skills to wash the rice, making sure that all the white is gone. You need to scramble it, scramble it well. Yeah. Yanka tank. Okay, so yanka tank inside the water is there, so we're going to boil it. Yeah. So you see how the whites, you have the whites on top of the rice. All the starch need to go. So she's roasting the onion because we're gonna pound it and add it to the soup. Wow. Some charms. Mussels, yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. The soup is also boiling. So the rice has been soaked for like 10-15 minutes, and I believe we're about to steam it because I saw this process in my other video that I did for them. And we're about to steam the rice. So basically over here they steam their rice before they cook it or they boil it, okay? And they believe that steaming the rice allows the rice to cook early when you are boiling it. So they steam everything for the vapor to first to steam the rice for like 10-15 minutes before they pour inside the water. So it says this pan has some holes in between. They'll make this hole and the vapor will pass it through. So this is the boiling water, and exactly. So it goes on like that, and the vapor will steam it. Okay, this is how they boil their rice. Something new. I'ma try this one day when I get back to Ghana. Amazing. And to prevent the vapor from escaping, you tie up around the pot so that the vapor will stay inside and able to steam the rice very well. So basically what I've seen here is like they first boil their fish and meat, the fish meat and the vegetables together. Then they take everything outside and then they proceed with the cooking. And it's almost all the food that they've been preparing, that's how they do it. I think that's the method over here in Senegal. Yeah. So all the fish is going out. Now the okra is going inside.
I get some Kandia.
Okay.
Kandia.
Wow. Man, this is a different way of making okra soup. Soup Kandia. Kanja. Okay, Soup Kandia. Okra soup in Senegal, and man, this is an amazing method they use over here. Incredible. And as you can see, the pot still has the grey color around it. I'm really enjoying the whole vibe, the whole setup, the whole procedure, the whole steps. Man, it's good to learn something new. Wow. After the fish has been taken out, we now break them to pieces, taking all the bones away, and yeah. We pound our pepper, and this is a dry pepper, chili pepper. Now we pounded them together with the dawa African locust bean with the onion that was roasted. So we have the onion inside from the fire. Amazing. The pepper over here is called Kandia, and it's a dry chili, the short ones, yeah. We also add in the roasted onions. Yeah. So some of the onions were roasted, others are not. Here they don't add in the Maggi into the soup or into the stew or whatever it is. They make sure that they pound everything together before they use it. And all the ingredients is being pounded rough, not smooth. And as you can see, it's been almost an hour and the pot is still fresh. So this is our roasted onion, and I've been chopped into pieces. And pound it together also. Okay, goes like that. So the tin tomatoes has changed the color of the soup. And this is how we have it. So right here they love pepper, yeah? So most of the stuff, pepper is being broken to pieces and it's been added to it. So whilst eating, you can take some of the pepper and break it into pieces if you want. Yeah, so this is our steaming rice, or the steamed rice, and see how the vapor has done it. And salt is being added on top. And now the thread or the rope is being taken out. Wow. We now pour it inside the water. Wow. Yankata. Man, it's an amazing way, amazing trick. After steaming for almost like 50 minutes, salt is being added on top of the rice, and it now goes inside the boiling water. I don't know if it's a waste of time, but over here that's how they do it in Senegal. It's a culture thing, traditional thing. It's a local thing, and I believe they've been practicing this for years and centuries. So you can't say anything about that, yeah. But anyways, it's a nice idea, and since it's good for them and it works for them, yeah, it is what it is. And I hope this will not turn to rice water. The way she's stirring it. At this point, we are now adding in our last pounded stuff with the Maggi and everything inside. Doing like that. Wow. Man, this is a full combo, as I've been saying. Fully packed full combo stuff. Finally, we have this smoked fish over here. Catfish. And we wash them and break them to pieces and it will go inside. So after 5 minutes, look at the rice. Just 5 minutes ago. So look at how she's doing it. She has divided it into 4 pieces or 4 places, and she's making that 10. So basically it's okra soup with rice. I've tried this food before. I even did the challenge with Jenamo. It's an amazing food. Man, people doesn't know how delicious and sweet this food is. Rice with okra soup. Try it and you clap for me. So the sugar has been added into the okra soup here. The way they prepare their food really takes time. It really takes time to prepare any food. All the food I've been trying or we've been preparing really takes time. It takes hours for the food to get ready. Red oil is being added to it as the final process or the method, final stage. One full bottle. So this is Senegal okra soup, Soup Kandia, and Okra. It is what it is. So it's not ready, and they're about to distribute again. So basically, as I've been saying, they eat in groups. So the whole food will be left in the pan, and the groups. So after the food is ready, it's being served, distributed to the family, friends, neighborhood, community, everything, anything. That's what we call a salaka in Ghana. Yeah, salaka. So, yeah. So the whole thing is spread around. The okra soup is spread on top of the rice, and yeah, soup kandia. Soup kandia with rice is ready, and as every day season, the whole family sits around. Today I'll be trying with my hand. I wash my hand already. And what it is. So basically it's rice and what do you call it? An okra soup, yeah? Similar. Wow. Avocado. So there's no difference between the okra soup that we have in Ghana and this. Is the same thing. So this is the intestine and the paper and the cow. So this is aubergine, this is pepper, and some meat inside here like that. Okay.
No. Waaye tàng na de. Wax ko ne ko tàng na.
Oh, okay. Prepare it. Aubergine. Some rice. So the fish was made teared into pieces. So now it's all mixed together. Okay. And, because kids will be eating, all the bones was taken out for the initial process. Yeah, so that's for today. If today is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. I hope you enjoyed the video. African Diary, showcasing African local food to the world. Please make sure that you share the video, subscribe. Let's meet again for Shizim and Rokodo.